Hey everyone, so today I'll be talking about an issue that some of you all might be having, especially for gaming videos with like a lot of fast movements when like you're flicking your mouse everywhere or like the screen is changing a lot, like really fast. And what happens in these videos is that the video tends to be like a bit pixelated, it tends to become like very choppy, the quality becomes really blurry, especially so when like you're moving really fast in game, right? And the reason behind this, like even though in like VLC Media Player, before you upload it to YouTube, you checked and everything is all good, it's crystal clear. And after like you upload it to YouTube, it becomes like choppy again. The reason behind this is because like YouTube encodes your videos in like different kind of formats, if that's the word, right? And the way you can check the format that your video is encoded in is you can right click, and then you go to stats for nerds, right? And then over here, you can see the codec of the video. So this means that this video is encoded in ABC1, which is like the lower end encoding, which is generally reserved for lower end videos. Whereas for this gaming video of mine, when I check stats for nerds, alright, it's encoded in VP9. So in VP9, right, you won't get so much choppiness, you won't get all like the bad quality stuff, right? And the way you can get YouTube to export your videos in VP9 is to go to your editing software and just make sure that your resolution is not 1080 by 720, but it should be 2560 by 1440. Alright, I repeat, it should be 2560 by 1440. This is the minimum criteria that YouTube needs to export your video, to encode your video in the better VP9 encoding. So you won't get like the shitty like ABC1 encoding crap anymore, alright? So I repeat, 2560 by 1440. This should be the resolution that you're exporting your video in to get the better VP9 encoding to avoid all the pixelations and whatnot with your videos.